In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add authorized users to Wells Fargo account. Let's get started. First, head over to wellsfargo.com and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Next, look for the Account Services tab at the top of the page and click on it. Inside Account Services, find and select the Credit Card Service Center. This is where you'll manage most of your credit card related settings. Under the Credit Card Service Center, click on Request Credit Card Features. This will open up several options you can request or modify. Look for an option labeled Additional Card Holders for your account. Click on that link. This is where you can add and authorize a new user. Now fill out all the required information for the new authorized user. This typically includes their name, date of birth, and other basic details. Once you have entered everything, take a moment to review the information carefully. If everything looks good, go ahead and submit the request. After you submit, Wells Fargo customer support team will verify the details. Once approved, the authorized user will be added to your account and will receive their card. And that's it. That's how you can add an authorized user to Wells Fargo credit card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.